Wait and see.
What if I told you that the next generation company brain can live entirely on your laptop, never touching the cloud, and you don't need to write a single line of code? Today we'll install Hyper, spin up a private AI agent, and put it to work on real tasks like email triage and personal reminders all offline. First things first, download the Hyper installer from the official site. It's a tiny 1.2 gigabytes package, optimized for consumer GPUs. Run the installer, accept the defaults, and watch the progress bar fill. When the install finishes, open the Hyper dashboard. This is the visual no-code orchestration center. Think of it like a kitchen countertop where you lay out ingredients, except the ingredients are AI capabilities. Drag the language model tile onto the canvas and select the private LLM option. Hyper automatically loads the distilled 7B model onto your GPU, keeping the weights on your drive, no internet traffic involved. Next, add the email agent tile. Connect it to your local mail client by pointing the tile at the Outlook icon. Hyper asks for your credentials once, stores them encrypted locally, and never sends them out. To give the agent a personality, pull the prompt builder tile. Here you can type plain English instructions like prioritize urgent messages, draft polite replies, and flag anything that needs my attention. No scripting, just natural language. Hit activate. Hyper compiles the workflow behind the scenes, spins up a lightweight inference server on your PC, and the AI agent springs to life. You'll see a tiny status window pop up, indicating Agent Online. Let's test it. Click Run Demo. The agent scans your inbox, picks out 3 high-priority emails, and writes concise reply drafts. All the processing happens locally. Your data never leaves the room. Beyond email, you can add a task scheduler tile. Connect it to your calendar, tell the agent schedule a weekly review every Friday at 4 p.m., and watch it lock the time slot automatically. Your personal productivity just got a private upgrade. What does this mean for you? A private LLM, an AI agent, and full automation without the cloud's privacy trade-offs. It's a blueprint for anyone who wants AI power on a modest PC, no code, no server farm. If you found this walkthrough useful, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another offline AI tutorial. Drop a comment with the first task you'd hand over to your new private assistant.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.